Hello everyone, my name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. All right, let's get into it. Yesterday, where we left off, we said that Bitcoin was most likely preparing to retest this level of resistance. So we took the median. Yesterday, we quoted the median of this band right now, this purple band of resistance, as being 48,816. But I said, I think support and resistance is best described or best depicted by bands and not necessarily price points or simple lines. So that's what I did. I took some time and I made a pretty nice little rectangle for us to see this band of resistance. I also said the title of yesterday's video was, Will History Repeat? Will we see what we saw the prior two times that Bitcoin sort of tested the bottom trend line of this ascending channel that we've been in since July 25th? So the past two times, in August, early August, we got this W reversal when we came all the way down to test the bottom of this trend line. And then in mid-August, we also got this W reversal once we came all the way down to test the bottom of the trend line. And right now, at this point, we've been struggling. It's been tough to say whether or not this was going to result in a drawdown or another W reversal, right? We have we're on the 4-hourly time frame, by the way. We have a lot of indecision in the market, right? How do you know? You see these candles with the bodies in the middle, but the long wicks on the bottom and the top, that basically indicates that buyers and sellers are unsure whether or not to buy or sell, right? A lot of people are buying, a lot of people are selling, some people are staying put. So there's a lot of indecision in the market. But now, recently, since midnight of yesterday and or midnight yesterday, I guess it would be. and right now we're getting some strong green candles to the upside, showing that, okay, it's looking to reverse course. And as I said yesterday, what we're going to see is, if this is a true reversal, right? If we're really going to reverse and make the higher high and test the top of this ascending channel to eventually make it to the 51-52 near-term target, which would then take us to the 55-56 target that I've been planning for quite some time. We would have to make this higher high, right? And we would have to break through this resistance band. If that does not happen, we will find our way back down to this trend line, back down to the bottom. And given that we will have failed twice, then we will most likely see Bitcoin correct to at the very least, to 45.5 or 46K, and possibly even more down to 42.5. So those are the scenarios that I see playing out with Bitcoin. But right now, as of recording, it looks like we're making a run for it. We're trying to break the resistance of this 21 and 55 EMA and make our way up to test this 48.8 resistance band. All right, so that's Bitcoin. Oh, the other thing is, if we look, we're on the 4-hourly time frame, we do see some bullish divergence here, right? This was the previous top. This was the previous top on the chart. This is the previous top on the RSI. Right now we're here, although the price action is lower than this high, you see the RSI is higher. So we are seeing some strong bullish divergence here on the Bitcoin chart, the 4-hourly Bitcoin chart. So it's highly likely that we will retest this. It just took us a while. All right, now what I want to do is look at two other projects, since we've been kind of showing some signs of strength in the recent past in Bitcoin. A lot of alts have taken the opportunity to just run. And I want to look at two projects in particular that I think are good buys right now. They're still good buys. They're at their sort of support levels for the time being. So first, let's look at Polkadot, which is something that just as all the projects, let's zoom out on the daily. So Polkadot, just like every other project, had its big drawdown in May and made its way down to the bottom of this Wyckoff accumulation channel, this trading range, and then made its way up to the top of the trading range, tested support on the 21 EMA, and now it's just now making its way back up, right? So this is a great buy. We have confirmation with a strong green candle. It's pretty much a bullish engulfing candle. So when you're getting into a trade, what do you want? You want confirmation of the trend changing. You want to buy at support, not resistance, right? If you're longing, or if you're planning on the price appreciating. And you want to make sure that market conditions are okay and you're going with the trend. And the trend in Bitcoin seems, at least in the immediate short term, to be to the upside. So this would be a good buy, not financial advice, just financial opinion. For educational purposes only, do your own research. But I think that Polkadot is a great buy right now. And I think that our next target is the neckline of this head and shoulders, or cup and handle. This is a pretty large cup and handle. And this would be the neckline, the point of breakout. So I think the next target would be about $45, which would give you an appreciation of approximately 43-44% from where we're at. So that's Polkadot. Now looking at Dogecoin, also kind of the same situation, big drawdown in May, bottom of the Wyckoff accumulation trading range, made its way up towards the top of the trading range, not to the top, but towards the top, came back down to find support on the 55 EMA, and right now it's in an EMA squeeze between the 55 and the 21 EMA on the daily. So that's a great buy in terms of buying support. This is buying support. This is buying the confirmation of a trend reversal, right? Because you're seeing this strong green candle on the daily. So it's likely that the trend will reverse from here. And if you want to see the next target to the upside, the next major target, again, you would take the length of the cup, the neckline of the cup down to the bottom. And from the neckline, we would project a 52-cent Dogecoin as being the next major target. So that would give you from here, a 46% increase. So that's Dogecoin, that's DOT, that's the state of the market. If you find value in these videos, please like, share, subscribe. It's a great way to support the channel, and I'll see you